Hey guys, and welcome to Luis Video Channel Lagardo. Today I'm going to do is review this PJ Masks Carry and Go battle case. It comes with 5 figurines and 10 accessories. It comes with exclusive Fair Boy. And here's what the back of the battle case looks like. So now let's open this and take a look. All you're going to do is to take out this cardboard here and get rid of this. And here what it looks like, guys. We have Owlette, Catboy, and Gecko. And it says here, PJ Masks. I love this case here because of the art here. Very nice. I just wish that this is colored as well, but it's fine. Now let's open this battle case to see what's inside. And here what it looks like, and it comes with 3 mystery blind bags. So let's take these out. So now let's unwrap these to take a look what's inside. Let's start with the first one. Ooh, more mystery blind bags. Okay. Now for the other one. We have more here. Here are all of the mystery blind bags. So now, let's open these up and take a look. Let's start with this one. And the first one that we have here is Gecko. So here's what he looks like. And here's what I have previously. So as you see here, the difference between them is the color scheme. And also the glitter, because the one that I have here is a PJ Masks Spark series. Well, the other one doesn't have any glitter on it. Very nice. Plus, Gecko has a different facial expressions as you see here. So yeah, very nice. I love it. Let's put Geckos right over here. I said geckos because there's 2 of them. So let's open up another one. And I'm going to pick this one. And it looks like we have the gecko shield. Looks like it's very different compared to this one. Because they're very similar. Only this one is smaller and this one is bigger. So yeah. Very nice. I'm going to hold Gecko here with his new shield here. Same with the Spark Series one. Let's open up another one. I'm going to pick this one. Let's open it. This is the Luna Magnet, perfect for Lunar Girl here. I got this one from the PJ Masks Spark series, and here's what her accessories is. This one is a Luna Magnet, perfect for taking over the world. So yeah, here's what Luna Girl looks like. Just sparkly glitter hair here for the Spark series. And let's see if Luna Girl holds her Luna Magnet. Okay, looks like she holds it. Very nice. Now let's pick another one, and I'm going to choose this one. Let's open it. And inside we have here is Owlette. Here's what she looks like. Let's open up another one, and I'm going to choose this one. Okay, this feels like flat. Probably must be Luna Girl's Luna board. Let's open it. And I'm right, guys. Here we have is Luna Girl's Luna board. Perfect for stealing stuff. Let's see if she can stand on. Okay, very good. She can stand on the Luna board. Okay. Let's open up another one. And I'm going to choose this one. Let's open it. Sorry about the back. Here we have Owlette's wings here. And as you see here, there's owl feathers on it. So she can use these owl feathers to attack the nighttime villains. Now let's see if these owl wings work on her. So probably I might gonna mess this up, but let's see. Let me check the cardboard here. Okay. So I'm thinking these should be like this, according to the back of the cardboard that I saw. Okay, now for the last one. And snap. And here's Owlette using her owl wings. And it's very cool. Let's open up another one. So I'm going to choose is this one. Oops. I meant this one. Ooh, okay. Here we have Lunar Girl here. And this is what I got from the Spark series. The difference is that the Spark series, Lunar Girl's hair has sparkles on it, while the Carry and Go battle case doesn't. So let's put the two Lunar Girls right over here. And I'm going to pick this one. That's the next. And ooh, okay. So it looks like I have the exclusive character from the Carry and Go battle case. And this is Fairy Boy. So let's put Fairy Boy right over here. And let's find his Staff of Ra. I'm not sure where is it, but probably it must be here. Wait, no. Where is it? I will find his Staff of Ra later. For now, let's open up the rest. The next one I have here is a Luna wand. So let's put it right here. Now for this one. Ooh, okay. So looks like I have these cat stripes. And here we have is Cat Boy here. You can use these cat stripes to trap and attack the villains. So let's see if I did this right. So I'm thinking it's like this. Snap. Okay. And the last one. There we go. Wait. Okay. How come these cat stripes doesn't work? Ow. To hold. Wait. Come on. Snap. I think I did this wrong again. Ugh. Come on. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Okay, finally. So here's Catboy holding his cat stripes here. Very nice. He has a cat tail here. Very cool. I think my favorite so far of the Carrot and Go battle case is Gecko. So let's put Catboy right over here. And now for the last one, which is this. And this is, ooh, okay. Ugh. I think this one is a suction cup. Very nice. I thought this one is a megaphone, but it's not. I think this one is a suction cup. Let's try it. I think this is like this. Let me show you. Ta-da! Very cool. And it actually works. Now, something is missing. Where is Fireboy's Staff of Ra? Let me just find it. I think I lost it somewhere. Let me just check. Okay, guys, I just checked. And looks like the Staff of Ra just dropped on the floor. And I didn't notice that. So, I'm sorry. Now, here is what the Staff of Ra looks like. It looks like a cobra staff. Perfect for Fireboy here. So let's see if... Ooh, okay. Looks like it's perfect for him. For world domination. Anyways, guys, here is what the Carry and Go battle case looks like. And here are the rest that I have here. We have Romeo from the Spark series and 2 duplicates. Here we have Romeo again and also Gecko. So these 2 aren't duplicates because they're different. So we're not gonna count that. Same with the Lunar Girls here. So now let's pack this up and we're going to see you next time on the next PJ Masks video. So for my next video, I'm not gonna do a pretend play one. So I hope you enjoy my pretend play video and stay tuned. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching my videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And stay happy and healthy. Bye. I'm just gonna pack up my PJ Masks figurines here.